Students, welcome back. Today we are going to start with the node analysis. In the previous lecture, we have already studied about the mesh analysis, which was based on Kirchhoff's voltage law. Today we will do some problems to solve the network using node analysis. What is a node? Node is a junction where two or more branches meets. Node analysis is used to determine the voltage of unknown nodes, or you can say unknown points. Node analysis is based on Kirchhoff's current law, and Kirchhoff current law को हमने कैसे define किया था? What Kirchhoff stated about Kirchhoff's current law? KCL states that the algebraic sum of all the currents meeting at a point is equal to 0, or you can say current entering into the node is equal to current leaving the node. This was KCL. Suppose कीजिए किसी भी नेटवर्क में we have n number of nodes. Out of those n number of nodes, we have to consider one node as a reference node. This reference node is also known as datum node. At the reference node, it is always assumed that zero potential is there. Now let us see the different steps used to solve the network problems using node analysis. सबसे पहला स्टेप क्या हमें करना है, that we have to identify the number of nodes in the network. Let us suppose we have n number of nodes, and then out of those n number of nodes, one node should be taken as a reference node, जिसपे हम कहेंगे कि zero potential is there. So with respect to that zero potential, all the circuits, all the branches will be solved. Next step which you need to follow is, after identifying the number of nodes, हमने क्या करना है, we have to assign the currents to the different branches, and we have to provide and we have to assign the voltage at each node. And then you will apply KCL at each node, but there is no application of KCL at the reference node. It means what? जितने भी node identify किए हैं, let us suppose we have identified 5 nodes in a network, out of which one is a reference node, जिसपे हमने कहा है कि there will be a zero voltage. तो वहां पर KCL अप्लाई नहीं करना है. जीरो वोल्टेज के रेफरेंस में जितने भी दूसरे नोड्स हैं, we will apply KCL at all those nodes. तो जब आप KCL अप्लाई करेंगे, after application of KCL you will get some linear equations. Then उन linear equation को solve करके you will find the value of voltages. और जब आपको voltage पता चल गई, तो then you can identify or you can measure the current through each branch. So these are steps which you need to follow while solving any network circuit. Let us start with the example. Here you can see a circuit is provided to us, and in this circuit what you have to do is you have to find out the current through 5 ohm resistance. So what we will do, we will find the current through 5 ohm resistance. Find current through 5 ohm resistor. सबसे पहला काम, in this circuit we have number of nodes given. This is called the reference node. तो सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना है, we have to identify the nodes. Here we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 nodes are there. Out of these 4 nodes, this is with respect to ground. तो इसको हमने क्या करना है, this is a ground node, that is known as datum node or the reference node. और बाकी जो 3 nodes जहां पर हमने क्या करना है, we have to assign the voltage. अब यहाँ पे हमने मान लिया कि that this voltage is V1, this is V2, this is V3, which is provided in the circuit itself. Now what you have to do is you have to assign the currents. Let us suppose the current is going in this direction, and you can assume that either the currents are entering, all currents are entering, or all currents are leaving. कोई भी एक रेफरेंस आप मान के चल सकते हैं. Here we are assuming that all the currents are leaving the node. तो leaving के लिए हमने क्या माना था? In the previous lecture we have already studied कि जब करंट लीव कर रही है, we are taking the assumption that it is to be in negative direction. और current entering, that is positive. So we will assume that all the currents are leaving the node. आप इसका ऑपोजिट काम भी कर सकते हैं. सारी की सारी करंट जो है वो एंटर करेंगी. Then you will take it as a positive. So this is our node number 1, node 2 and node 3. We will apply KCL at all these 3 nodes one by one. So step number 1 will be applying KCL at node 1. तो node 1 के लिए जब हम KCL अप्लाई करेंगे, you will get the equation. This 3 ampere current is entering into the circuit. As I already told you, जो भी source given है उसकी direction को आप change नहीं कर सकते हैं. So here you can see this 3 ampere current is entering into the circuit. So the equation will come out to be 3 minus V1 upon 4. The current which is entering here, that is V1 upon में 4. And इस ब्रांच से कौन सा करंट जा रहा है? सी. यू आर एट दिस पोटेंशियल. सो जिस पोटेंशियल पे आप हैं, जिस नोड पे आप हैं, दैट द वोल्टेज एट दैट नोड इज कंसीडर टू बी हायर देन द अनदर, जिसके रेफरेंस में आप निकाल रहे हैं करंट को. तो नेक्स्ट क्या हो जाएगा हमारे पास है? V1 minus V2 divided by 2. What will be the here? You can see at this node 3 branches are meeting, 1, 2 and 3, and we will write the value of current for all these 3 branches while writing the KCL. जब आप यहाँ पर KCL अप्लाई करेंगे, KCL अप्लाई करने के लिए जो आप करंट की वैल्यू लिखेंगे, क्या आ जाएगी? V1 minus V3 minus 36 divided by 4. Okay, so it will be V1 minus V3 minus 36 divided by 4 is equal to 0. So when you will solve this equation, it will come out to be V1 minus 0.5 V2 minus 0.25 V3 is equal to 12. Let it be equation number 1. Now what you have to do is, you have to apply KCL at node 2. अब node 2 पे KCL अप्लाई करेंगे. आप इस नोड पर हैं, तो इस नोड से जितनी भी ब्रांचेस जा रही हैं, सबके लिए आप करंट वैल्यूज को सम कर देंगे, अलजेब्रिक सम कर देंगे. एज ऑल द करंट्स आर, वी आर अज्यूमिंग ऑल द करंट्स आर गिविंग. देन फॉर दिस ब्रांच, व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ करंट? फॉर दिस ब्रांच, what will be the value of current? It will be V2 minus V1 divided by 2, minus sign. Then for this it will be minus V2 divided by 100, and for this it will be V2 minus V3 divided by 5. जिस नोड पे आप एप्लीकेशन देख रहे हैं, जिस नोड पे आप करंट के KCL अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, उस नोड के रेफरेंस में जो दूसरा नोड है, दैट इज टेकन टू बी एट लोअर पोटेंशियल. So when you will solve this equation, it will come out to be minus 0.5 V1 plus 0.71 V2 minus 0.2 V3 equal to 0. Let it be equation number 2. Similarly, node V3 के लिए जब आप equation find out करेंगे, क्या आ जाएगी? Applying KCL at node 3. So when you will apply KCL at node 3, it will come out to be minus V3 divided by 20. अब यहाँ पे हैं, इसके with respect to क्या आ जाएगा? minus V3 minus V2 divided by 5 minus V3 minus of minus 36 minus V1 divided by 4. It will equal to 0. when you will solve this equation, it will come out to be, ये हमारे पास आ जाएगी -0.25v1 -0.2v2 plus 0.5v3 equals to -9. That is equation number 3. So we will write all these three equations once again. First equation was v1 minus 0.5v2 minus 0.25v3 equal to 12. It was equation number 1. Equation number 2 was minus 0.5v1 plus 0.71v2 minus 0.2v3 equal to 0. It was equation number 2, and equation number 3 is already there. It will be, it was minus 0.25v1 minus 0.2v2 plus 0.5v3 equal to 9. अब आप क्या कर सकते हैं, इन तीनों इक्वेशंस को दो तरीके से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. तीन लीनियर इक्वेशन है और तीन ही अननोन वेरिएबल है. सॉल्व द लीनियर इक्वेशंस and find v1, v2 and v3. Again, either you can apply Cramer rule as we have already studied while doing the problems on the mesh analysis, or simply you solve question number 1 and 2. जो value आएगी उसको 3 में put कीजिए. Again solve the equation to get the values of v1, v2 and v3. When you will solve the values of v1, v2 and v3, you will get v1 is equal to 13.41 volt, v2 is equal to 7.06 volt, and v3 is equal to minus 8.47 volt. And now what was asked in the question? Find out the current in 5 ohm resistance. तो हमने क्या करना है, 5 ohm resistance के क्रॉस करंट निकालना है. 5 ohm resistance के क्रॉस कितना करंट फ्लो कर रहा है, v2 minus v3 divided by 5. Then v2 you have, value of v3 you have, you will find out the value of current through 5 ohm resistance. So when you will solve it, it will come out to be 7.06 minus of minus 8.47 divided by 5. It will come out to be 3.11 ampere. So this is how you can apply KCL at a given circuit, and you can find out the value of unknown voltages at the different nodes. And accordingly, the question can be changed. Either you are asked to calculate all the voltages, or you have to find out the current through all the branches. So according to the problem, you can solve the networks, different networks, using node analysis. Let us see one more example. Here in this example, you can see we have two sources available. One is voltage source, another is current source. Again, we have different nodes are provided. So what you have to do is, you have to consider one node as a reference node. This is our reference node here. Reference node. Again, 3 nodes are there. Node number 1, node number 2, node number 3. You can name it node number 1, node number 2, node number 3. Now, node identify कर लिए हैं, एक reference node मान लिया है. Then next step was, you have to apply KCL at the different nodes. Again, here also we are considering that all the currents are leaving the nodes. So applying KCL at node 1. तो जब आप नोड 1 पे KCL अप्लाई करेंगे, बट द इक्वेशन विल कम आउट टू बी v1 minus of 20 divided by 3 with negative sign. v1 minus 20 divided by 3, और इसके विद रिस्पेक्ट टू, इस ब्रांच के विद रिस्पेक्ट क्या आ जाएगा, इट विल कम आउट टू बी माइनस ऑफ v1 minus v2 divided by 1, और यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा, माइनस v1 minus v3 divided by 2 equal to 0. तो जब आप इस इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करेंगे खोल के, ये आ जाएगी 1.83 v1 minus v2 minus 0.5 v3 equals to 6.67. Let it be equation number 1. Then you apply KCL at node 2. You can see how simple it is to solve the network problems with independent sources. So most of the syllabus is just concentrating around the इंडिपेंडेंट प्रॉब्लम्स, इंडिपेंडेंट सोर्सेस। इंडिपेंडेंट सोर्सेस क्या होते हैं कि जो वो सोर्सेस जिनमें अगर मैं इंडिविजुअल इफेक्ट देखूं तो हर किसी का इंडिविजुअल इफेक्ट algebraic sum होकर मुझे नेट इफेक्ट देगा। दैट दोस टाइप ऑफ सोर्सेज आर नोन एज इंडिपेंडेंट सोर्सेज। लेकिन अगर डिपेंडेंट होते ये सोर्स तो एक सोर्स की जो भी वर्किंग होगी उसका जो इफेक्ट है वो दूसरे सोर्स पे आएगा। दो सोर्सेज आर नोन एज dependent sources. So you will apply KCL at node 2. When you will apply KCL over here, you can see this 5 ampere current is entering into the circuit. So you will simply take it 5 minus V2 minus V3 divided by 6 minus V2 minus V1 divided by 1 equal to 0. Again, जिस नोड पे आप बात कर रहे हैं, जिस नोड पे आप KCL अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, that node is considered to be at higher potential with respect to the another one. So again, when you will solve this equation, it will come out to be minus V1 plus 1.17 V2 minus 0.17 V3 equals to 0. Let it be equation number 2. Simply, then again you will apply KCL at node 3. So when you are here, so node 3 will be taken at higher potential with respect to all other nodes. तो इसमें हमारे पास यहाँ पे क्या है, तीन ब्रांचेस मीट कर रही हैं, तो तीन करंट्स की वैल्यूज आएंगी हमारे पास। इट विल कम आउट टू बी माइनस V3 divided by 5 minus V3 minus V2 divided by 6 minus V3 minus V1 divided by 2 equals to 0. तो जब इसको आप ओपन करेंगे, it will come out to be minus 0.5 V1 minus 0.17 V2 plus 0.87 V3 equals to 0. That will be equation number 3. So we will rewrite these three equations and you will solve. But the equation was, first equation was 1.83 V1 minus V2 minus 0.5 V3 is equal to 6.67. Was equation number 1. And equation number 2 we have minus V1 plus 1.17 V2 minus 0.17 V3 equals to 0 equals to 5. Let's do equation number 2. Then the third equation we have minus 0.5 V1 minus 0.17 V2 plus 0.87 V3 equals to 0. Let it be equation number 3. So you can see here we will have 0, 5. It is 5. So you will solve these three equations for the value of solving 1, 2 and 3 for V1, V2 and V3. Again, you can apply Cramer rule, or three unknown variables are there and three equations, linear equations are there. So you can apply using simple your mathematics and you can find the value of V1, V2 and V3. When you will find the value of V1, you have to do 23.8 volt. V2 is equal to 27.4 volt. V3 is equal to 19.04 volt. Now, यहाँ तक का जो step है, that is common for every problem most of the time. Now, in this circuit, it can be asked to you that find the current through this branch or through this branch or through this branch. From any branch, you can find out the current. Let us suppose here we want to find out the current through 6 ohm resistance, or you want to find out current through this 5 ohm resistance. So what will be the value of current for these two? For 6 ohm resistance, you have already calculated it is V2 minus V3 divided by 6. And for 5 ohm resistance, you have already calculated it is V3 divided by 5. So you can calculate V2. आपके पास वैल्यू अवेलेबल है V2 minus V3 divided by 6. This is current through 6 ohm resistance. तो जो भी आपको वैल्यू गिवन आई है कैलकुलेट करके, you can find out V2 minus V3 19.04 volt divided by 6. So it will come out to be 1.39 amperes. Similarly, अगर मुझे करंट 5 ओम के रेजिस्टेंस के क्रॉस निकालने के लिए पूछा जाता तो क्या थी वैल्यू V3 डिवाइडेड बाय 5. V3 की वैल्यू क्या है 19.04 वोल्ट डिवाइडेड बाय 5. सो यू कैन कैलकुलेट दिस. So it will come out to be approximately amperes, 3.8 amperes. So in the same way, you can calculate, you can solve any network problem using the node analysis. Let us see one more example. Here in this example, what you have to do is you have to find out the value of voltages at all the nodes. Here we have 3 different nodes provided. Here we have 3 different nodes, VA, VB and VC, and you have to find out the voltage across 100 ohm resistance. So you will solve this circuit to find out the voltage across 100 ohm resistance. In this circuit, you can simply get the voltage 100 ओम रेजिस्टेंस के क्रॉस कितना वोल्टेज है, वो वोल्टेज जो इस नोड के और इस रेफरेंस नोड के बीच में है. तो इस नोड और इस रेफरेंस नोड के बीच में कितना वोल्टेज है, VC है. तो सिंपली यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ VC. दैट वैल्यू इज नथिंग बट द वोल्टेज अक्रॉस 100 ओम रेजिस्टेंस. अगेन व्हाट स्टेप्स यू हैव टू फॉलो. सबसे पहला काम आप क्या करेंगे, यू विल अप्लाई KCL एट नोड 1. जब आप नोड 1 पे KCL अप्लाई करेंगे, व्हाट इट विल कम आउट टू बी. सी, नोड 1 पे मेरे पास सिंपल 60 वोल्टेज अवेलेबल है. सो वी हैव VA is equal to 60 volt. Simply, then what will you do? You will apply KCL at node 2, or you can say VA given VB, or you can say this is node number 1, node number 2, node number 3, and at these 3 nodes we have assumed the voltages are VA, VB, VC with respect to the reference node. This is the reference node. So apply KCL at node 2. Then what will be the value? It will come out to be, see, VB minus VA divided by 20 with negative sign. VB minus VA divided by 20 with a negative sign. Then you will have VB minus VC divided by 20. VB minus VC divided by 20. And for this voltage, you will have VA minus, you will have VB divided by 20 minus VB divided by 20. अब ये क्या है? This is the value of current which is entering into the node, and it will come out to be, the value क्या है, 0.6 ampere simply given है. Current is entering into the node, you will simply write it equals to 0. So when you will solve this equation, the equation will come out to be minus 0.5 VA plus 0.15 VB minus 0.05 VC equals to 0.6. Let it be question number 1. Okay, then now what you have to do is you have to apply KCL at node 3. यानी वोल्टेज क्या है हमारे पास यहाँ पे, VC है. जब आप सिंपली VC पे KCL अप्लाई करेंगे, see here you can see that 4 different branches are meeting. तो 4 करंट की वैल्यूज का जो algebraic sum होगा, that we will put equal to 0. सबसे पहले let us suppose we are taking minus VC upon 100 for this branch, and for another branch it will be VC minus VA divided by 50. VA की वैल्यू हमें क्या दी हुई है, 60. तो हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, 60 वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे. And for this branch it is VC minus VB divided by 20. And for this branch it will come out to be VC minus 12 divided by 50. VC minus 12 divided by 50, that is equal to 0. So VA की वैल्यू, VA हमें given है कितना है, 60 volt है. So we will put the value of VA and then we will get the minimized voltage equation. So it will come out to be minus 0.0 VA minus 0.0 VB plus 0.1 VC equals to 0.6. 24. That will be question number 2. Now what you will do, you will put the value is equal to 60 volt of VA. VA की value 60 volt put कर देंगे. Then you will solve the equation, and when you will solve the equation for VB and VC, you will get the value of VC is equal to 31.68 volt. तो जब आपने VC की value निकाल दी, this is the simple mathematics which you can do at your own. Solution of these equations. So yeah, solution of equations you will do at your own. तो जो मैंने VC पे हमारी क्या वोल्टेज आई है, it is 31.68 volt, and this VC is nothing but the voltage across 100 ohm resistance. तो 100 ohm resistance के क्रॉस ही वोल्टेज पूछी गई थी, तो it is V 100 ohm is equal to 31.68 volt. So this is how you can solve the problems according to the question asked. These are some problems which you have to solve at your own. In question number 1, what you have to do, you have to find out the voltage V. कौन सी voltage? This voltage. The voltage V, which is asked to find out, which makes the current in 10 ohm resistor equals to 0. And the another problem is find V1 and V2. Find V1 and V2 of this circuit. So what you will do, you will apply KCL at different nodes. This is the reference node. This is node number 1, node number 2. For this particular problem, you will find V1 and V2. And when you will apply KCL at this node, this V will come into the picture, and you can solve that particular equation to find out the value of V. And in this case, what you have to do, you have to find out the voltage across 10 ohm and 20 ohm resistance. That is very simple to find out. कैसे find out करेंगे आप? करंट निकाल लेंगे. जो करंट आएगा, that you will multiply with this 10 ohm resistance. Then V is equal to IR वाला जो formula है, that we will apply after finding out the current through this branch. So we can simply find out the value of V1 cross this resistance and a value of V2 which is across this resistance of 20 ohms. So this is how you will try these problems at your own. Thank you very much for today.